Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today mag-unboxing tayo ng Toys Construction Vehicles. So, nakita niyo yung mga construction vehicles. Ang ganda yung box niya. Oh. Sige, mag-unboxing tayo guys. Okay, ang box na open. Oh, wow. Type of vehicles, construction vehicles. Oh yeah. First, yung excavator, nag-scoop sa dirt. Oh, parang siyang scooper na ice cream. At nilagay sa cones. Oh, it's right here, Volvo. Kasi yung excavator, parang siyang totoo na excavator, oh. Wow, ang ganda niya. Okay. Second one is the cement mixer truck. Ito yung cement mixer truck, nag-mix mo yung concrete mixer ay cement and sand, yung concrete. Ito natawagan cement mixer truck, concrete mixer truck, or mixer truck. O parang siyang parang siyang dump truck. O parang siyang dump truck. Okay, parang siyang totoo na concrete mixer. The third one is the dump truck. Ito yung dump truck, nag-reload at dump. Nag-delivery sa mga mall, office building, normal building at house. Oh guys, parang siyang totoo. Parang siyang totoo na dump truck. Oh. The fourth one is the bulldozer excavator. Ito yung na-push sa mga bato at dirt. O, meron right siya, Volvo. O, ito, excavator, bulldozer. O, parang siyang totoo. The last one is the road roller. Itong yung ay magawa at ito para yung saminto ay flat. Yung saminto ay flat. Oh. Meron siya, oh. Ito. Meron siyang ganito. Roller. Okay. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Bye guys!